kami. So, execute lang, just give your best. Iisip ko lang talaga pumatay ng bola. So, yun lang yung nasa isip ko nun. Medyo malamig, pero nakaraos naman.
And then I talked about this with you earlier at the dugout. 19 times already you are in the podium, especially after this game. Tell me, how does it feel to be part of this legacy with Rio?
Well, we're very blessed. We're blessed with great management. Sir Jonathan, Sir Alan, Ma'am Liz Ann, Sir Rolly, and Attorney Lily and Miss Cathy. Our management has always been there to support all throughout those 19 podium finishes. Of course, the fans na talagang walang sawang nanunood. Grabe din yung passion nila, kaya na-encourage kami maglaro. And of course, we're blessed by everything that God has given us. So, we just hope na tuloy-tuloy yung team, walang mga injuries, and makabalik lahat. That's our prayer for our next season.
All right, any more messages, any more people you'd like to thank?
To our families,